In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to learn any language. And this can be beginner friendly, but obviously it can be advanced as well. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you're going to want to do is open up ChatGPT, whether it's on the app or the website. It works the exact same on PC, laptop, or phone. And once you're on ChatGPT, what you're going to want to do is type in the following prompt in that new chat. Say something like, I have no experience with French, or whatever language it is that you're trying to learn, and then say, teach me like I'm a complete beginner, just like so. Go ahead and hit enter, and from here what it's going to do is start building a learning structure for you. It's going to break things down into lessons and start jumping straight into lesson 1, which is going to show you stuff like basic words and phrases, how to spell them, how to pronounce them, and how to use them in real situations. For example, you could type in specific words if you're trying to do that, or you could just practice by going through the lessons. It's also going to teach you basics like pronunciation rules, introducing yourself, common phrases, simple sentence structure, and whenever you're ready with lesson 1 and feeling comfortable, just tell ChatGPT that you're ready for lesson 2 and it'll continue from there. You can also ask any questions at any time, request practice exercises, or even ask it to quiz you. And it's going to work for any language. But that's really all there is to it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.